everyone, welcome back to Nailmas and welcome to day 24. It's Christmas Eve, so I hope you're having a wonderful Christmas Eve. Off of camera, I have already put on the first coat of each nail's polish, I would say, and the base coat, of course, but I will go through what I'm using. So on my accent finger, I have Orly's Inexhaustible Charm, which is like my favorite rose gold glitter at the moment. And then on the rest of my nails, I am building up Orly's rose colored glasses to just get a really nice sheer neutral milkiness to my nails. I am doing this a few days before Christmas, so I wanted them to last until Christmas, as well as if they did chip, I didn't want to have to feel like that I needed to paint them, so I went for like a super kind of neutral look, so if there was a chip, like no one would really notice. Granted, it's just me. Um, so I did that. I did about 2 coats of rose colored glasses and 2 coats of the Glitter Inexhaustible Charm by Orly. And then I'm going to be freehanding a cute little minimalistic reindeer on my middle finger. I used red acrylic paint for his nose and the biggest dotting tool that I had. Just a really simple dot in the middle towards the bottom. Then I'm going to use some black acrylic paint and a small dotting tool and create 2 little eyeballs above the nose. Again, super simple, not much detail is needed here. And then I'm going to use a light brown, but I actually wish I had used a darker brown to create antlers coming up to make it look very reindeer-like. I did a light brown, and now looking at it here, I feel like you can't see it. In person, I can see it on my nails, but I do feel like had I used a darker brown, it would have looked a little bit better. And that is about it for the art. I did decide to add in a little shine line on Rudolph's nose with some white acrylic paint, which does really kind of bring it all together in my opinion. But that's it for the art. It's super simple, super easy, and great for like a last minute design. On my index finger and my pinky finger, I did a glitter gradient coming down from the cuticle with the same one that I use as the accent nail, which is the Orly's Inexhaustible Charm. It's like the perfect rose gold, and it's just really pretty. And I actually did this design on both hands, but I didn't film it today because I felt like that was just a super long video for today, since it is a holiday. Then of course I applied a top coat. Today I used the Glisten and Glow top coat, and here is the look at the manicure. I really liked this. I feel like it's a really fun one to kind of end on for me and to also enjoy on Christmas Day. So that is officially it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will talk to y'all very soon. Bye!